Like I have 135 skydives, I had 58 base jumps. And then here I am, this guy who cannot even feed himself. I am this independent individual who has skills, ability, equipment to jump off a cliff and survive for most times. Like I have 135 skydives, I had 58 base jumps. And then here I am, this guy who cannot even feed himself, which make you feel like you're suffering a loss of your own dignity. So I think we all do have to discover, and the question here is identity. Like, was I the same person who I was then? Would I still be the same person from then onwards, or has my life changed? If I possess that kind of self-belief that I will jump off a cliff, if I will become this individual who's here, who seemingly has something of value to share with you. I did not possess that self-belief. That self-belief came through a journey.